What actually separates you from every other creator in your niche who has zero experience, but they talk like they have mastered that niche to bits and pieces? If you can't answer this question immediately, then you are in trouble, my friend. In this video right here, I'm going to show you 3 critical things you as an entrepreneur must say and do in every video so your viewers trust you more than anyone else out there in your niche, even if you have a small channel right now. And these 3 things helped me to grow my Rookie Handyman channel from "Who's this guy?" to millions of views. They helped me build my Creators Forge community to 260 members, and they helped my clients explode their channels the right way. But first, let's talk about the biggest mistake almost every entrepreneur starting their YouTube channel makes. Imagine this: Apple can basically release anything. A razor blade, a fridge, a loaf of bread, and people will still line up around the block to buy it, right? And why? Because people trust Apple. They've earned their trust for decades. Most new creators think the same thing. I'm good at this. People will trust me, but they won't. Not until you give them a reason for that trust. When I started my Rookie Handyman channel, I thought I just show these tutorials and people will get it. People will do them. But it didn't work that way. The second I started sharing before and after projects, real on-site repairs, and messages from viewers who fixed something using my videos, that's when people finally took me seriously. People don't trust just an expert status anymore. You need proof, and you need it early in your video. But how to build that trust with a viewer who doesn't know you? That's where 3 critical trust builders come into play. Imagine this: you're sitting in a Tesla showroom and you are just window shopping a little bit. And guess what? Elon Musk walks in, sits down right next to you, and you muster the courage to ask him, "Hey, Mr. Musk, what is the next big thing I should be watching in tech?" And he spends the next 5 minutes talking about how his kid drew a robot with 6 legs jumping on a trampoline in the backyard. Are you going to stop him and say, "Wait a minute, Alan, I asked you about tech. Why are you talking to me about something your kid did?" No, bro, you listening like that picture might predict the future of humanity. Why? Because it's Elon freaking Musk. Credibility unlocks instant attention. But how do you replicate that effect? Basically, you casually spring your results in your intro. It may sound a little bit like you are bragging, but if it's true, it's credibility. Example: after helping entrepreneurs inside Creators Forge community to go from zero confidence to posting weekly videos, and after growing my own Rookie Handyman channel to millions of views, I noticed beginners make these 3 trust building mistakes. So today I'm going to show you how to avoid them. Let's see what I did right there. I mentioned who I helped, with what I have helped them with, and I mentioned that I did this on my own channel before, which is ultimate trust builder, credibility builder, because you can literally go and check to see if I'm lying or not. Moving on to trust builder number 2. Saying you can help your viewer is fine, but showing proof is next level, because seeing is believing. Let me give you a fresh example. When Canva first launched, nobody believed designing things online should be easy. Graphic design was supposed to be hard. Instead of explaining it for hours to their audience, they showed one simple screen recording. Drag, drop, done. People instantly got it, and Canva exploded. So you should do the same thing. If you are doing do-it-yourself tutorials and videos, show the build, show the repair, show the final product, or show the tool in action. If you are more in non-visual niche, screenshot messages, show simple graphs, drop short testimonial clips, and show before and after transformations. People don't trust explanations anymore, they trust evidence. And if you can combine storytelling with this evidence, this is where your channel can explode. And this is our trust builder number 3, storytelling. Humans don't trust facts anymore, they trust stories about the facts. Let me give you a simple example of Airbnb. When Airbnb first started, nobody trusted this idea of sleeping in some stranger's house. Sounded like a horror movie setup, right? But instead of pitching features, they shared real stories of hosts and guests. Families making extra income, travelers saving money, people building connections, and homes restored because of all of this additional income. The stories proved that concept, and suddenly the whole world trusted them. So just ask yourself, what stories can you tell? Have you done something that your viewer can relate to? Did your client had a quick win from working with you? Did you make a mistake somewhere and now you are sharing it openly so that other people can avoid it? If the story proves your point, it builds trust, and trust is what turns a casual viewer into a hardcore client. There's actually one more trust builder that transformed my entire content journey. It helped me to grow my Rookie Handyman channel, it helped me to build my Creators Forge, and it helped me to earn money from my passion. Check out this video right here to learn this one technique that can position you as the most trustworthy creator in your niche, and almost nobody does it right. So check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.